nation celebrates its 76th Republic Day, the Indian Army soldiers stationed along the line of actual control in North Kashmir are courageously enduring severe weather conditions to ensure the safety and security of the country. With temperatures plummeting to minus 12 degrees and over 6 feet of snow blanketing the region at 12,000 feet, these soldiers remain steadfast in their duty. Here's a ground report on how the Indian Army is prepared in snow-clad regions. Take a look.
Braving extreme cold conditions, the Indian Army Jawans have intensified their area domination patrolling exercise along the line of control on the eve of Republic Day, and they are basically demonstrating their multiple tactics that they are basically using while conducting counter-infiltration or counter-insurgency operations. The one you right now see is move and fire, where the Army Jawans move and then basically target the aim at the target. So right now you see Indian Army Jawans in these snowbound areas braving extreme weather conditions and targeting the target with precisely basically these operations or these exercises are being conducted to demonstrate the preparedness of Indian Army who are posted along the line of control. There are intelligence inputs in fact suggesting that the terrorists who are on across the line of control on launch pads may attempt to infiltrate, and to counter those infiltration attempts, these Indian Army Jawans are demonstrating their preparedness. This is snowbound area, and in fact there remains chances of avalanches and other extreme weather conditions. So in these extreme weather conditions where wind speed is itself a challenge, the terrain is challenge, and in fact the weather is challenge, these Army Jawans are on high alert and in fact guarding the borders to ensure that the nation celebrates the Republic Day at ease or peacefully. These Army Jawans have been conducting similar exercises as area domination exercises along the line of control, while as in hinterland the security forces are also on high alert. But here on line of control, these Army Jawans are braving extreme weather conditions and in fact are on remain deployed around the clock, keeping an eye on the enemy posts as well as are ready to file the infiltration attempts or any adverse actions of the enemy or terrorist groups who are operating from the POK area. So these Army Jawans are demonstrating their preparedness, and they are well prepared to tackle any adverse impact action or condition here on line of.
Time for a quick break. Stay with us. On the other side, we tell you more as far as what's happening in the world of international developments as well as sports.